Right, we're back again with even more mods for this band. So it seems every day I want to fix something else on it. So one thing I'm going to do is respray this because I notice it's all coming apart. There's rust underneath the paint and the paint is all lifted there. So I'm going to scrape that. There we go. That's just rust. So there we go. That's an obvious problem. I probably should somehow take more paint off than I really want to. Good God. See, it even comes with its own paint scraper here. Okay, so that's a problem. I'm going to take this cover off, which is only a couple of screws, and put some rust converter. I think I'll use this one here, the rust converter aerosol, which I quite like. And then I will probably use this one, which I like for all kinds of things, the caliper spray. It's sort of a nice, slightly stippled kind of finish. And it's pretty hard, it dries well. I've used that on all sorts of things. Pretty happy with the results. So there's our piece. Yep, it's all flaky on the inside. I can see that's all going to come off. So I'm just going to put it on the bench here and just scrape away at it. I like this bench. They were super cheap being sold off. I wish I bought a couple. I went looking for this tool because I was trying to find some way to do grinding work that I had to be better than a Dremel, bigger and stronger than a Dremel, but not as powerful and violent as an angle grinder, mains powered angle grinder. So I went out looking for a weak angle grinder. I was just looking for the cheapest, weakest, smallest, maybe even a battery powered one, but they're all big. And they're noisy too. I want to be able to do this, in my house, neighbors and so on. And a guy showed me this. This is the only thing like it, although in the States there's also one from someone like Snap-on, I think, also makes something vaguely similar. And it's basically a big Dremel. There's a straight through one, which is more like a Dremel, and there's this angle one, which is of course like an angle grinder. And you use these little attachments, 1/4 inch. There's two collets, 1/4 inch and 6 mil. And obviously it's this range of the small batteries. Freaking expensive. Where I am, this was not cheap. Once you buy a charger and a battery, man. I don't use this range of tools either, so I haven't got the batteries. But I'm very happy with it. Very happy. Touching.